I got 3 packages of Bird's Eye Steam Fresh sugar snap peas. I put them in the sink, let them defrost. Then I squeezed out some of the juice. Something I've been getting in the habit of doing is if you go to the dollar store and they have coconut milk, there's a high fat content in it. And it adds a nice little flavor. That looks like 2 tablespoons. We're going to walk that up. Be right back. There's sizzling in the background. Alright. Add 2 more tablespoons of that. We had a ham steak. We julienned it. Cut it in half in nice big pieces so they match the sugar snap sizes. Had some leftover jalapenos. They have a little heat and crunch. So what we're going to do is heat this up. And look how good that coconut milk works. That fat, that moisture, that burny on the bottom gets it right off. And I killed this pan. Wow. Sure, you could put other things in here. Grated cheese would be great. But we're going to get a light oyster sauce. This was on sale. 2 for $2.99. It's like a hoisin. Actually, I was going to use a hoisin. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. That's it. Actually, it looked a little bit light of 2 tablespoons. All we want is a light glaze. Yeah. I should actually throw some oysters in there, right? Why not? These are going to be excellent. I want to leave that glaze on there. Actually, you know something? Let's throw some oysters. Alright, quick note to self. We don't have any oysters. Now that'll be good enough. Look at that. Beautiful. Oops. Houston, we got a problem. Jalapeno hit the table. Didn't want to cook the jalapenos. Want to use it for the crunch. Really nice. Could have did that in a hoisin, but I wanted some oyster sauce. I'd never had this in my entire life. Alright. Love you. That's my dinner.